Kolkata, the cultural capital of India. A city where history whispers through colonial architecture and modern life pulses in every bustling street. From the grandeur of its monuments to the warmth of its people, Kolkata is a living canvas of tradition and progress. Here, art, literature, and spirituality converge. Every corner has a story, from poets and revolutionaries to vibrant festivals and timeless cuisine. Kolkata is not just a city, it's an experience that embraces you with its soul. Kolkata's trams are more than transport, they are heritage on wheels. Since 1902, these electric trams have glided through the city, connecting generations and neighborhoods with their gentle rhythm. Prinsep Ghat is a riverside jewel, where colonial architecture meets the timeless Hooghly River. The iconic backdrop of the Howrah Bridge makes every frame unforgettable. A boat ride here, especially at sunset, is pure magic. The golden hues reflecting on the water, the silhouette of the bridge, and the calm flow of the river create a moment that feels eternal. The Hooghly River is Kolkata's lifeline. Flowing gently, it has carried centuries of trade, devotion, and culture along its banks. From temples and ghats to bustling ferries, the river is a witness to the city's evolution. It remains a sacred thread that ties together Kolkata's past and present. Step into the Seven Wonders Park and travel the world in minutes. Replicas of iconic monuments, from the Eiffel Tower to the pyramids, stand tall, inviting awe and wonder. It's a place where families gather, children marvel, and visitors capture memories. The park is a playful reminder that the spirit of exploration can be found right here in Kolkata. Alipore Zoo is India's oldest zoological park, a beloved destination for generations. It houses rare species and offers a glimpse into the wonders of wildlife. Walking through its leafy pathways, you'll find families enjoying picnics, children learning about animals, and a sense of nostalgia that makes the zoo more than just an attraction. It's a tradition. The Victoria Memorial is Kolkata's crown jewel. Built in marble to honor Queen Victoria, it stands as a symbol of colonial grandeur and architectural brilliance. Surrounded by lush gardens, the memorial is both a museum and a monument. Its galleries preserve history, while its beauty continues to inspire awe in every visitor. Newmarket is Kolkata's bustling bazaar, alive with colors, sounds, and bargains. Since 1874, it has been the city's shopping heart. From traditional textiles and handicrafts to modern fashion and food stalls, Newmarket offers a kaleidoscope of choices.